According to ancient Indian philosophy, it is said that we are not supposed to sleep with our head facing the north direction. Is it just a blind belief or is there a scientific explanation to it? Come on, let's explore. Our brain receives blood through very fine structures known as capillaries. Now, these capillaries are so fine that even if a drop of extra blood flows into them, then they burst, causing brain hemorrhage. So, when the body is positioned in a horizontal manner, our pulse rate naturally drops. But why does this happen? The body makes this adjustment because if the blood is made to flow in this same rate, it will cause damage to the brain. It's because more blood will flow than the required amount of blood. So when we sleep with our head pointing the north direction, what exactly happens? As we all know, iron is a major constituent of our blood. And we also know that iron is a ferromagnetic substance. Ferromagnetic substances are those which have a tendency to move from a region of weak magnetic field to a region of strong magnetic field. Now, as we all know, Earth also has its own magnetic field and its direction is from south to north. So when we sleep with our head facing the north direction, all the iron content in the blood tend to flow in the north direction, that is towards our brain. This causes a slight increase in pressure in the blood capillaries present in our brain. So over a longer period of time, this pressure builds up, and if your blood vessels are weak, that is when you age, after a certain age your blood vessels start becoming weak. So if you do this for a regular interval of time, you may be looking for trouble. What kind of trouble depends on your system, whether it's strong or not. Over a long run, this might result in brain hemorrhages and paralytic strokes. So now we have the scientific explanation for why we should not sleep with our head facing the north direction. So what do you think is the best way to sleep? If you have an answer, please write down in the comments. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you have liked the video, please hit the like button. Thank you.